So weeping willow, this has
These are pretty trees, beautiful
very
trees.
pretty trees, but they are better off in a field far away from your home.
Why is
or
that?
like away from your home. They have very invasive roots, which can cause foundation problems and also septic system problems. And
Oh,
a
the
lot of
septic
people-
system.
Yeah. So
Rod Child suicide sucking septic systems.
okay, red green. So they're very pretty though, like especially when you see them
Nice by lakefront.
by lakefront. Yeah. But that's because they're away from the house. The roots can cause problems not under your foundation.
Silver maple grows too fast and often has a problematic lifespan.
So they are prone to branches breaking. They're not as strong as like a sugar maple.
And generally, maples, in the whole sense of tree arborist stuff, is a very, very fast growing tree.
Yes. So silver maple are also fast growing, but they're prone to more breakages, and they are prone to more disease than other maple trees like sugar maples. So it's something to keep in mind. But at one time, they were very popular. I don't remember why, but they're very popular as opposed to a sugar maple, and they were growing among municipalities. Maybe they got a good deal on them. I'm not really sure. But yeah, so silver maple can be a problem. So if you are going to grow a maple tree, I mean, did I say silver or sugar? You want to get like a sugar maple, or that tends to be a better variety that's going to grow better for you. My mom has a silver maple in her backyard, I think, right?
Right.
Yeah, and it's kind of broken apart, and
it is going to be taken down.
Yeah, it's not.
And a lot of times when you take these trees down, number one, if you're doing it, make sure you're doing it correctly. Number two, it's cheaper to hire somebody than to deal with insurance and hospital. But here, give you a reference here. An oak tree per year will grow about 13 to 24 inches. Okay. A silver maple will grow anywhere from 3 to 7 feet a year.
That's crazy. That is fast.